Good evening, guys. What I'm going to do here today is I'm going to revisit the Mystery Ranch One Day at Saltpack. You know this is my favorite, but the reason why I thought I'd revisit it is because I think I've quickly glanced over a lot of fine details or little things that you guys should know about the bag that make it just seem that much more special to me. So today I particularly have a new one, literally out of the box. My typical one is Foliage color. This one's in like a Coyote brown. All right, so this is what it looks like. All right, so they're available in this brown, this foliage, and there's black. It's multicam as well. Okay, so this is how it is. You got the nice tri-zip, and here's the interior. Okay, as long as with a little tag here, manufacturer tag. Okay, so overall, why do I like this bag? I think that it's, number one, very comfortable. That's a really important theme in the Mystery Ranch product line. It's because you can adjust that Futura yoke harness system. And that's really cool because it's not difficult to do, and you can just tailor it for you. Also, you're gonna have to do adjustments on yourself as well, you know, mid-trips, that kind of thing. So it makes it much easier, and you know, it just makes it comfortable. So that's a really big thing. So that's what I liked about it, number one. Other thing is just the materials overall. It didn't have to be 1050D nylon. I thought this was fine. I had never heard the term Cordura before. But either way, just looking at the history and all these things, you know, it's just another type of ballistic fabric or a fabric that's used in intense conditions. So, you know, I think the materials are okay. This particular one is very simplistic, obviously because of the size. It's one that a lot of people like to have. Apparently, it's not available in the U.S. market, unfortunately. But you guys have other ones like ASAP or Front, other models that could replace it. So I like it because it's clean. It's good. You know, it's 18 liters. It's not even 20 liters. So this is just the perfect bag for, you know, your everyday, just a one-day pack. One-day pack. And I like the fact that they keep the molly kind of just toned down. It's just a little bit, you know, not too much. I like that. You know, even less might have been better, but that's fine. Anyways, this is a good bag. So if you got a laptop, see it in here. That's cool. And here's the top pocket. Okay, this is gonna take some people. It took me some time to get used to. But anyways, here's the top pocket. Okay, so it's pretty big, and I didn't mean it's pretty deep, but I said it's pretty big. So you can put a firearm safely in there. Can't tell you what model. This pocket is not that deep. It's probably about an inch or so deep. It's not that deep. So the only problem I find is if I have this slung in front of me, sometimes crap falls out. So just be conscious of that. Okay, and I like how they have a separated compartment. So you put your more valuables in here, close it up. So in everyday use, I would say, you know, don't zip it all the way open like I did. So yeah, I mean, it's really plain and simple. The big field patch on top here, so whoever is into like or out patches, you guys can do nuts there, or leave it plain. Maybe leave it plain, nice and clean. This is a good look. It's a clean look. Another thing is a big deal is these zippers. They're really huge, and that's what I like. Some manufacturers only offer the YKK in these really itty bitty small sizes. These are huge. I think there's numbers or gauges assigned to them. For example, the ones on the outside, these would be like I believe these are number 10s. Okay, so these are huge. Okay, and these are awesome. So you can, you feel like confident in the bag. And I believe in the interior they use a smaller YKK zipper. And if you notice along all the seams, every single seam here, okay, that rubber, it's like a plastic sheeting. That's the AQUAGUARD or the weather guard, so that's just going to help keep the water out, repel the water out. Remember, the water is not 100 proof 100%. That's just not right. But it's just going to help you from. It's going to help bead. Some of the water was going to bead off. It's just not going to stick there. So, but just use common sense there, okay? So if you have any electronics in there, you don't want to be soaking it in the water. So this is an okay bag. But one of the few criticisms I have, and many people have shared this as well, is maybe the grab handle. It's really thin. I'm confident it's not going to rip, but it just looks disproportionate to the rest of the bag. It's not like it's a big bag, but if this was at least doubled up, that would have been good. In the front, you do have like a sternum strap here, but I personally take it off. I like how they give you the option to also move this up or down in steps, okay, for those who do want to use it. I don't. So anyways, yeah, overall, so this is one of my favorite bags, and I'm probably telling you everything you guys already know, but just want to say it again. Mystery Ranch, one day it's all packed. An awesome pack. If you can get your hands on it, it's a good collector's item, and it's also a good bag. So yeah, good luck to you guys on that, and thank you for watching.